Are you noticing sloping or cracking in your concrete and you're not sure how to fix the issue? If so, you came to the right place. In this video, I'll talk about what deep injection is. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director of AccuLevel. My family's been in the foundation repair business for over 20 years, so I've seen my fair share of foundation issues. So what is deep injection? Deep injection is using a polyurethane foam to run down into the ground from anywhere from 5 feet to up to 35, 40 feet. As you pump in this foam material, you're removing the rod and you're creating a pillar-like structure with foam. When you're doing this, this foam actually expands and compresses the soil around it, as well as builds this pillar. So as you're pulling that rod up, it gradually makes that foam pillar higher and higher to where you have a solid base to lift either the structure, the sidewalk, the driveway off of. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you decide if deep injection is right for you or not. If you want to learn more about deep injection, click the link in the description and you'll be able to read our blog on this topic. Be sure to like and subscribe.